Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to do more things with tables, alter, copy, delete data, and also drop tables. This is going to be a very easy video. These functions are really easy to use. So the first thing I'm going to discuss is altering a table. And so to alter a table, the purpose of doing this is maybe if you want to add like a column. So let's say we have table employee. And yeah, these are our columns in the employee table. If we want to add like first name, then we do so as alter table. And as you can see, it turns blue. And then the table name, which is emp. And then add, and then as you can see, that turns blue as well because that's a function. And then this is where you put in the new information. So let's say I wanted to add, like I said, a last name. You would have to add the column name at this point. So I'm going to put last name, and then you have to declare the data type. So I'm going to do var car 2, and I'm just going to put 30. And then make sure you put your semicolon, best practice, and then run this table emp altered. So when you do select from emp, you'll have last name. And as you can see, they're all null values because we haven't added any data yet. In order to add data to this, you'll have to update the table, which I'll talk about in a different video. So if you want to delete or drop the column, alter table emp, same thing, drop column turns blue because those are functions, and then just the column name. Sometimes this won't work because there are sometimes like criteria where some columns depend on others, whether it be primary or foreign keys. I'll discuss that in another video as well, but for the purpose of this video, this is the syntax you would use to drop this column. And as you can see, table emp alters, so select from emp, no more last name column. So that's good. So now I want to show you how to copy tables. So you have you have your employee table. Let's say you want another table. If you want to do analysis and you don't want to mess up the original table, you can make a copy of that table, and that can then help you do analysis on the new table. So the syntax is as follows. Create, I believe, create table and copy as, and notice how you're using the same syntax originally as if you were about to create a table, but then you're going to do as. So create table emp copy as, select from emp, semicolon. If I run this, it says table emp copy created. So then if I do select star from emp copy, semicolon, and I run this, and as you can see, the data in emp copy is exactly like it was in employee. And that's how you copy a table. So next, I'm going to show you how to delete records from a table. And this is just going to be deleting the records from the table, but not deleting the table entirely. So let's say I have this, I had just made this copy, emp copy. If I want to delete all of these records from the table, the reason people might do this is because maybe they want to add in different data compared to the original employee table, and they just wanted the columns to be the same. So to delete the records, you simply do delete from, and then as you can see, it turns blue because it's a function, emp copy, semicolon. So delete from and the table name, semicolon. And 14 rows deleted. So when I do select from that table, as you can see, nothing is there anymore. So now the other thing is I can roll back by clicking on this button. And when I select from it again, they show up again. Rollback and commit are really important because if you commit something, that means the change has been done and the database has committed it, and I wouldn't have been able to recover any of that data again. But since I hit roll back before doing so, the data comes back. It's basically like an undo on like Microsoft Word, something like that. Anyway, so that's how to delete data from a table. Now, if I wanted to drop a table entirely, the syntax would be drop table emp copy. Table emp copy has been dropped. So if I now do select from emp copy, semicolon, table or view does not exist because I dropped the table. However, I can roll it back, and now when I select from it, it should come back. Or rather, okay, I guess that rule doesn't apply when you're dropping a table. So that is, in a nutshell, how to alter tables, copy tables, delete data from tables, and drop tables. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.